Best online photography courses for beginners. This video covers the top 3 options on Coursera based on ratings, reviews, and practical learning value. Before we begin, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months. Coming in at number 3 is Photography Essentials, Light, Landscape, and Product from Skillshare. This beginner specialization teaches lighting techniques, landscape photography, product photography, visual storytelling, photo editing, and post-production. It's a great choice if you want to explore different photography styles while building your core skills. At number 2 is Cameras, Exposure, and Photography from Michigan State University. This highly rated course has a 4.8 out of 5 rating with more than 5,300 reviews. You'll learn camera settings, exposure, image quality, creativity, and the technical foundations every beginner photographer needs. Taking the number 1 spot is Photography Basics and Beyond, from smartphone to DSLR from Michigan State University. This popular specialization has a 4.7 out of 5 rating with more than 6,700 reviews. You'll learn composition, photo editing, visual storytelling, post-production, file management, and how to create professional quality images using both smartphones and DSLR cameras. It's the best overall photography course for beginners on Coursera. Here's something many beginners don't realize. Learning photography isn't just about owning an expensive camera. Understanding composition, lighting, editing, and storytelling makes a much bigger difference than your gear. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. You get unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations covering photography, graphic design, video editing, and other creative skills. For a limited time, you can also get 40% off your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. That brings the price down to just $35.40 per month instead of the regular $59. Check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.